Imagine walking into your classroom in 2035, and instead of a teacher, a machine is standing there. Your homework is checked by AI, your questions are answered by AI, and maybe even your future career decisions are made by AI. Sounds exciting, or a little scary. Today, we are here to debate one of the most exciting and thought-provoking topics of 2026. Can artificial intelligence replace human intelligence? Point 1. Speed and efficiency. AI is the most transformative technology. It has been revolutionizing industries and reshaping societal norms. It can process massive data sets in seconds. It is useful for industries like healthcare, finance, logistics, and customer service. In a PwC's Global Workforce Hopes and Fears Survey, 2025, 72% say AI is increasing productivity, and 70% of the workers say that it enhances the quality of their work. Point 2 is accuracy. AI involves large data sets and has complex pattern recognition. It is consistent and precise. It can quickly make decisions even with limited data. Research indicated that human cognitive absorption is mainly influenced by the estimated accuracy of AI systems. Point 3 is 24/7 availability. AI systems don't get fatigued. It can work without human support. It is not restricted to a particular time zone as it serves customers across different time zones. Point 4 is automation of tasks. Studies show AI saves 1 to 5% of the total work hours. Anthropic research teams took a sample of 100,000 conversations with its AI assistant Claude, then estimated how much time it saved for each conversation. It was found that an average task took 90% minutes to perform without AI, while with AI, it took about 18 minutes. Hence, tasks could be completed 80% faster. Point 5 is learning capability. AI learns faster. Stanford explained how LLMs work. The models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini didn't learn by someone programming answers into them. They learned the same way a child learns language, by reading billions of web pages. Now let us discuss why AI can't replace human intelligence. Point 1 is lack of emotion. AI does not feel emotions or has conscious experiences. AI can say sorry when it makes a mistake. It can express satisfaction with the job done well, but it fails to cry. AI cannot experience emotions. Point 2 is limited creativity. AI can use things that are already online. IT cannot come up with a new thought that is not online or that is not fed into its database. Hence, there is a limit to where AI can take us. Point 3 is moral and ethical judgment. A person has values that affect him, and he acts on those values, and not just pre-programmed learning like AI. That requires a deep emotional connection to what you think you are doing. Point 5 is human intuition. Intuition is accumulated awareness. The Bhagavad Gita talks about wisdom beyond logic. Tai Chi says true knowledge comes from flowing with nature, not just analysis. Something inside us says that this doesn't feel right. It comes from patterns we have unconsciously observed, our experiences, our interactions, and our mistakes. AI cannot have the intuitive ability like humans. The future may not be AI replacing humans. It may be AI working with humans. Thank you for watching, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.